Welcome to a collaborative umbrella project and partnership provided by the Presidential Youth Employment Intervention, led by the National Youth Development Agency, and funded by the Jobs Fund, National Treasury. The project aims to mobilize youth to become active in the economy by employing them into various community service and development interventions in specific sectors. The partners involved in this initiative include the Presidential Youth Employment Intervention, the National Youth Development Agency, the Jobs Fund, National Treasury, Harambee Youth Employment Accelerator, the Early Learning Resource Unit, and the Early Childhood Development Sector, which together create a tripartite alliance between government, business, and civil society. The Department of Employment and Labor and the National Treasury's Jobs Fund are pleased to announce the opening of the Presidential Youth Employment Intervention. The fund is part of the comprehensive plan, driven and coordinated from the Presidency, to create no fewer than 2 million new jobs for young people within the next decade. Various partners across government, such as the Early Learning Resource Unit, will be responsible for implementing the different components of the intervention. Harambee Youth Employment Accelerator is a not-for-profit social enterprise building African solutions for the global challenge of tackling youth unemployment. Harambee is responsible for the pathway management framework, and through their platform facilitates a project management role for the intervention. The Early Learning Resource Unit is a non-governmental organization and a registered public benefit organization operating since 1978. The focus or goal is to ensure that every child in poor and marginalized communities in South Africa has access to quality early childhood development services, and are best known for capacitating the ECD workforce within South Africa. The Early Learning Resource Unit offers 4 strategic interventions or programs, which includes formal training, mentorship, coaching and support to the primary caregiver and early childhood practitioners to improve their parenting and the learning environments, which will impact on the child's quality of learning and development. In South Africa, it is estimated 6 out of every 10 children are born into poverty. Research shows that 79% of babies and toddlers under 2 years, and approximately 63% of children between the ages of 3 to 5 years old, do not have access to an early learning program. In order to thrive and develop to their full potential, children need good nutrition, stimulation, a healthy and safe living environment, supportive parenting and access to health care and social support services. The National Development Plan recognizes quality early childhood development as a sustainable and cost-effective way of ensuring the optimal development of children and a key lever in overcoming poverty and inequality. Early childhood development is therefore a key driver in changing the trajectory of young children and creating quality environments where they are able to survive and thrive. In order to achieve this, the sector needs young entrepreneurs and skilled practitioners to build a strong and robust sector that will deliver quality and structured early childhood development services to young children.